All right, my students. So we will start our lesson, our topic today. Okay, please sit down nicely. Isabel, sit down nicely, straight. Yeah, today we will have a quiz. Kita juga akan ada quiz in the Zoom. So I hope you can be focused. Benaya, what are you doing? Yeah, okay. Miss Melda will watch you. Yeah, will watch your eyes. So please be attentive. Control yourself. Ya, don't forget about our CB lesson ya. You have to practice. Itu harus tetap kamu praktekkan di setiap pembelajaran ya. To be attentive, to sit down nicely. Okay, and control yourself ya. Okay, Isabel. Yeah, put your hands. Okay, we will start. So our topic today is talking about chemical changes ya. In the last week, we already study about what, Benaya? Last week we study about
Physical change.
good job. Right, benar. We study about physical changes, ya. Physical changes. Nah, today we study about chemical
changes.
What is physical changes in bahasa? Perubahan
Fisika.
Yes, oke, perubahan fisika. Fania, kalau chemical changes, what in bahasa? Perubahan
Kimia.
Yes, good job. Perubahan kimia ya. Jadi last week we study about physical changes. Today we study about chemical changes. But in the last we will have quiz. Namely, you have to choose ya. Kamu harus memilih which one is physical changes and which one is chemical changes. Okay, until here, do you have a question before I continue our lesson? Anything else? Any question? No? Can we go on? Can we go on, kids?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so okay, what is it? Chemical changes. Nah, apa yang dimaksud dengan perubahan kimia? Oke, perubahan kimia can we identify? Identify itu maksudnya kita identifikasi, kita lihat. Misalnya Miss mau bilang seperti ini, Kisra, ini hewan apa? Nah, Kisra akan mengidentifikasi berapa kakinya, warna apa bulunya, itu namanya mengidentifikasi. Yang mengidentifikasi itu melihat ciri-ciri, nah ciri-cirinya. So now, we can identify the chemical changes by see, dengan melihat the new substances that produce. Jadi melihat zat baru yang dihasilkan. What is it, Miss? The first is light. What is light in bahasa, Benaya?
Cahaya.
Cahaya, yes. Okay. I want to ask more ya. Miss mau tanya lagi. Evelyn, what object can produce light? Selain sun, selain matahari. What object?
Light.
Yeah, what object
Light.
can light? Yeah, what object?
Candle.
Flashlight. Center itu bahasa Inggrisnya flashlight, ya. Oke. Jadi di dalam center itu ada perubahan kimia namanya. Oke, you can see if one object is produce light, it is produce light. So we call chemical changes. Jadi kita katakan dia melakukan perubahan kimia. The second is gas, ya gas. Oke, when you ketika kamu cook, ya ketika kamu memasak, there is gas ya, ada gas yang kita hasilkan. Nah, ini show itu menunjukkan chemical changes. Oke, next bubbles. What is bubble in bahasa? Diandra? Busa. Ya, oke, busa. Good job. Nah, Michelle, what object can produce bubbles? Michelle, benda apa yang bisa menghasilkan busa? When you take a bath, what you use so that there is bubbles?
Soap. Sabun.
Or when you wash hand, ya, you use soap. That is chemical changes. Why? Because produce bubbles. Jadi dia menghasilkan zat baru. Zat baru itu light, gas, bubbles, and also compositions. Jadi compositions ini contohnya seperti ini, kids. When you make cake or you baking membuat kue, ya. Okay, so we can identify all the compositions is cannot bake again, ya, irreversible. Jadi setelah kamu campur misalnya menjadi kue bolu, kan nggak bisa lagi kita pilih yang mana sugarnya, which one is flavor, yang mana tepungnya. We cannot do, right? Jadi ketika komposisinya itu tidak bisa kembali ke awal, that is chemical changes, ya. Jadi Miss, kalau ini dihasilkan itu chemical changes, yes. Okay, color change di sini maksudnya contohnya like this, kids. Have you ever see the iron? Iron itu besi. Pernah nggak lihat besi yang berkarat? Whoever? Yes. Jadi ketika color change-nya itu berubah seperti perkaratan, that is chemical changes. Miss, gimana kalau rumah yang dicat? Kalau rumah yang dicat itu chemical changes or no? Okay, later you will know the answer, ya. Okay, so the conclusion is chemical changes produce new substances, menghasilkan new substances. New substances-nya ini bisa berupa smell, aroma, ya, aroma, kids. Harum, aromanya atau keharuman yang dia timbulkan. That's also. Jadi ketika misalnya you make fried chicken, ya, ketika kamu memasak atau menggoreng telur, nah ada aroma yang dihasilkan. That is also chemical changes. Itu perubahan kimia. Different, ya, berbeda ya dengan yang minggu lalu. Yang minggu lalu kamu hanya mematahkan chopstick, you just fold a paper and the shape like airplane, jadi berbentuk seperti pesawat. Or when ketika Yovela memang mencairkan coklat, itu ada perubahan fisikanya, ya, di situ ada jadi sometimes in one moment there is two, bisa terjadi sekaligus perubahan fisika dan perubahan kimia. Oke, Agnestation, don't be sleepy. Nah, jadi how can we see the chemical changes? It is when there is new substances. New substances-nya tadi apa saja, kids? Light, cahaya. Jadi Miss, when I use flashlight, ketika saya menggunakan senter, di situ ada perubahan kimia. Yes, that is chemical changes. Why? From the battery, ya, kids. Jadi when you use baterai, itu ada atom kimia namanya atom karbon. Jadi ketika misalnya kamu ambil baterai, terus kamu buka, kamu hancurkan, itu ada yang hitam di dalamnya, ya. Whoever, siapa yang sudah pernah melihat baterai yang sudah rusak, yang sudah dibongkar? Nah, if you found, kalau kamu misalnya menemukan warna hitam seperti besi, itu namanya karbon, itu atom kimia. Jadi karena itulah bisa menimbulkan cahaya. That's why senter kamu bisa mati kalau baterainya sudah lama, sudah habis, right? Yes, okay. Jadi that is when there is new substance like cahaya, korek api misalnya. Ketika kamu nyalakan korek api, that is produce, itu memunculkan new substances, right? Coba Miss mau tanya, ketika kamu nyalakan korek api, what substances yang muncul? Is there is smoke? Ada enggak? Yes, api. And also smoke.
Smoke.
Yes. And also ash, abu. Ya kan bisa kan abu kan? Jadi kayunya itu, kayu rokoknya, what Miss Milda said just now? Korek. Kayu koreknya itu kan hancur, it's black, hitam, kemudian bisa menjadi abu, right? Okay, so we will see Kita akan melihat for Jade, Kisra, and Isabel, don't stop your video. 2 times ya, Miss Melda already remind 2 times. Jade and Isabel, open your video. Ya, oke. Kalau Miss Melda kecepatan, you can ask me again ya to repeat. Okay, so this is the example of chemical changes, kids. Okay, this one. What do you see? Apa yang kamu lihat dari pointer Miss ini? Dollars, right? Money.
Bakar.
Nah, Miss Melda mau tanya, when we burn, ketika kita bakar paper or money, there is new substances? Beda nggak kalau hanya kamu lipat, misalnya this is paper, kamu lipat, apa muncul asap? Is there smoke?
No. No.
Oh, when you just fold, yes, this is physical changes. But when you burn, muncul api, muncul smoke, jadinya ada abu. That is chemical changes. So easy, right? Jadi cara menentukannya itu, ada nggak zat baru yang dihasilkan? Zat itu tadi Miss bilang busa, cahaya, abu, asap, api. Jadi kalau dia memunculkan zat-zat itu, berarti terjadi chemical changes. Okay, next. This is, what do you see?
Rotten apple.
Apel yang busuk. Oke, pernah nggak kamu lihat kids ketika misalnya you have bread, ada roti, kemudian roti ini sudah lama, jadi muncul seperti jamur. So your parents or your mommy say, don't eat the bread, jangan makan roti itu lagi karena sudah berjamur, sudah busuk, right? Nah, jadi why Miss we say this is chemical changes? Karena muncul zat baru kids. Di sini bisa ada racun. Ya, jadi susunannya sudah berubah. Yang tadinya for you it is vitamin, yang awalnya apel itu vitamin yang dipunyanya, but when it is already rotten, ketika itu sudah busuk, muncul zat baru, bisa seperti racun atau jamur, ya. Jadi ketika muncul zat baru, itu juga chemical changes. Oke, now this one, ketika misalnya kita bakar daging, ya, ketika kita bakar daging. Why Miss? Kenapa Miss ini chemical changes? Karena dia menghasilkan zat baru yaitu aroma. Harum jadinya, right? Ya, jadi kemudian dia menghasilkan asap, smoke. So it is chemical changes. Okay kids, so actually I want to show you sekilas about our quiz. Jadi nanti bentuk quiznya seperti ini. Ya, sebelum kita jawab, Miss mau tunjukkan sebentar. Jadi kamu bisa fokus. Later Miss akan pilih acak. Miss akan pilih 5 orang to answer the quiz.
It's about physical changes and chemical changes, ya, Miss.
Yes. Jadi ini nanti Miss hanya tunjukkan gambarnya. You see the image. Jadi kamu lihat. Media kids. Later Miss choose 5 students. Miss pilihnya acak ya, jadi pakai wheel of names. Oke, jadi kira-kira seperti ini contoh soalnya kids. So you can prepare ya. Ada waktunya ya. Oke, fokus to the image. Lihat gambarnya. Oke, coba kita jawab. Kira-kira iya apa jawabnya? Melting ice. Physical?
Melting changes. Chemical changes.
Physical changes. Karena kan dia hanya meleleh.
Physical. Dan
Oke. Telur jatuh.
physical changes. Physical changes. Physical changes.
Okay, later we continue ya. Later we continue. Nanti kita lanjut. Okay, later we will continue. Jadi nanti dari sini ya. All of you have to ready. Siapa nanti yang Miss pilih? Ya, Miss pilih kan namanya by this one. Nah, jadi nanti kita pilih example like this.
I'm scared.
Okay, like that ya. Nanti seperti itu ya, okay? Okay, but before we go to the quiz, sebelum kita ke quiz, because I see ada yang ngantuk-ngantuk, so we have icebreaker first ya. Okay. Wait ya kids. Can you see? Do you see my screen?
No, Miss.
No.
Yeah. No, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Already, Miss. Already, Miss.
Okay. Just wait. Okay, stand up all. Do you see the chicken dance?
Greetings, my friend.
Do you see kids? Yeah?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, stand up. Kita stand up dulu ya. Miss. Okay, you can make like this. Gerak-gerak dulu. Okay, stand up kids. Keep moving. Because I see after PE you like sleepy. How can you answer the quiz if you like that, right? Okay. We make chicken dance. Everyone have you stand up? Yang belum stand up, I see ya. Fania, good job. Okay.
It is I. And today,
Okay, let's follow.
You say a chicken. So let's do the boil dance. Hit it. Hey, yeah, shake. Oh, I love this dance. Do your best chicken in there. Bravo, Pablo. Or turn around in circles with yourself. At maximum. Other way. Keep going. Walk. Are you getting dizzy? Yes. Yes, you are. Hey, clap, shake. Don't chicken out. Keep dancing.
Okay, faster.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow and steady with the chicken race. Walk, walk, go, go. We're getting faster.
Faster.
Why did the chicken cross the road? So you can do the chicken dance. Oh la la! It's super rapido! Hey, hey.
Yay!
Was that
Sit down.
confidence? Yes.
Okay, sit down. Okay, jadi sebelum kita ke kuis, karena letter bisa aja yang terpilih si Louis atau si Giofran, jadi Miss nggak pilih yang cepat-cepat ya. Jadi nanti yang milih itu komputernya. Jadi you have to ready. Oke, sebelum ke kuis, coba Miss tes dulu di sini ya. Miss tes dulu di sini. You can give me thumbs up if you know the answer. Give me thumbs up if you know the answer ya. Okay, kids. Okay, here Miss Milda already make. Yang termasuk physical changes itu ketika misalnya when you fall down an egg. Jadi telurnya hanya jatuh. Beda ya kalau telurnya digoreng, that is chemical changes. Okay. Next. Ya, ketika es hancur atau meleleh, that is also physical changes. But ketika terjadi sesuatu yang dibakar, pokoknya kalau dia pembakaran itu ada chemical changes-nya, kids. When wood, ketika kayu juga dibakar, that is chemical changes. Okay, so we go. Okay, who knows? When egg fall down, give me thumbs up. Who know the answer? Okay, Alessandra, it is
Physical changes.
okay. Good job. Next, when money is burned, give me thumbs up. Who knows? When money is burned. Kalau pembakaran tadi Miss bilang itu selalu, coba Michelle yang jawab. When money is burned, it is physical or chemical?
Miss, saya baru masuk.
Iya Daniel, so letter Daniel tidak usah jawab ya. Michelle?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, when money is burned, it is tadi kan Miss sudah jelaskan, kalau pembakaran itu apa, Michelle? You are not focused, right?
Me.
Unmute, Michelle.
Chemical.
Ya, chemical changes. Okay. You can say chemical ya, bukan C bacanya, pakai K. Chemical changes. Ulangi Michelle, chemical changes. Chemical changes. Okay, next. When ice melt like this and like this. Okay, who knows? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Who knows? Just choose physical or chemical.
Physical. Physical, Miss.
Semi.
Physical changes.
Physical.
Physical, Miss. Physical changes.
Physical changes. Okay, good job. Yes, you are right. Physical changes. Indah, don't sleep, Indah. Later you don't know. Okay, when the fruit is rotten, jadi ada jamur. It is
Chemical.
Chemical changes. Chemical changes.
okay. Good. So now, are you ready for the quiz?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.